Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Everyone thinks the AI gold rush is over. That belief is the biggest mistake right now. A new AI business model quietly exploded this year. It is not coding. It is not dropshipping. It is not crypto. It is lead generation powered by AI brains. Most people still do leads the old painful way. Cold emails sent blindly. Ads burned with no tracking. Spreadsheets filled manually. I changed every one of those steps. Today, one person can do the work of a full agency. And they can do it faster than ever. Let me show you why this works now. And why it did not work like this before. First, understand the real opportunity. Businesses are drowning in competition. Attention is expensive. Customers are harder to reach. Owners want results, not theory. They pay for booked calls. They pay for ready buyers. They pay monthly for consistency. This is where AI steps in. AI does not guess. AI predicts. It reads intent at scale. That is the shift. The first core idea is AI-powered lead discovery. This means finding buyers before they raise their hand. Before AI, this was slow. You searched directories manually. You scraped outdated lists. You hoped emails were correct. Now ChatGPT flips the workflow. You describe the buyer once. AI expands it into thousands of signals. Job titles. Tech stacks. Pain points. Buying triggers. This matters because relevance sells. Generic outreach dies. Specific outreach converts. AI makes specific easy. Here is how it works simply. You define one niche. Example local services. Example SaaS. Example e-commerce brands. You ask ChatGPT to map the ideal buyer. You prompt it for public data sources. You prompt it for search patterns. You prompt it for intent phrases. Suddenly you have a lead universe. This builds money because businesses pay per lead. Or they pay per meeting. Or they pay monthly retainers. This works now because AI understands context. Older tools only matched keywords. Context is the money. The second core idea is AI-driven qualification. Leads are useless if they are broke, or not ready, or not decision makers. Humans used to qualify one by one. That capped income. AI removes the cap. You feed lead data into ChatGPT. It scores intent signals. It scores urgency. It scores budget likelihood. Why this matters is simple. You sell fewer leads for more money. Quality beats quantity. Here is the simple logic. Set qualification rules. Train AI with winning examples. Let it rank prospects automatically. This helps build business trust. Clients see results fast. Fast results mean long contracts. This works better now because models reason. They do not just filter. They understand buyer psychology. The third core idea is AI personalized outreach. Personalization used to mean first name. That never impressed anyone. Now personalization means relevance. AI reads the prospect world. It reads their website, their ads, their reviews, their competitors. Then it writes messages that feel human. Why this matters is response rates. Replies turn into calls. Calls turn into cash. The workflow is simple. Connect data sources. Feed context to ChatGPT. Generate multiple message angles. Test quickly. Scale the winner. This makes money because speed wins. Faster tests mean faster deals. This only works now because AI writes with nuance. Old templates felt fake. Nuance feels real. The fourth core idea is AI follow-up automation. Money is lost in follow-ups, not in first messages. Humans forget. I never forgets. I tracks opens. I tracks clicks. I adjusts timing. Why this matters is timing. Right message at wrong time fails. I fixes timing. How it works is basic logic. If no reply, then nudge. If clicked, then educate. If warm, then book call. This builds business by compounding conversions. Small lifts stack into big revenue. This works now because AI adapts live. Old systems were rigid. Adaptation prints money. The fifth core idea is AI reporting and proof. Clients stay when they see numbers. AI turns chaos into clarity. Dashboards used to take days. Now they take minutes. ChatGPT summarizes performance. It explains wins. It explains losses. Why this matters is retention. Retention equals predictable income. How it works is simple. Feed campaign data. Ask for insights. Turn insights into actions. This helps you upsell easily. Results sell themselves. This works now because AI connects dots. Humans miss patterns. AI sees them instantly. Let us talk about ChatGPT specifically. ChatGPT is the brain layer. It sits above tools. It connects everything. You are not replacing tools. You are upgrading the brain. This is how ChatGPT generates thousands of leads. It designs the strategy. It builds the targeting logic. It writes the outreach. It optimizes the follow-ups. One workflow feeds the next. That is leverage. Before AI, you needed a team. Now you need prompts. And clear thinking. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now let us pressure test the business model. You sell outcomes, not hours. You pick one niche. You solve one pain deeply. You charge for results. Beginner mistake is chasing everyone. Focus multiplies speed. Pricing becomes easier. Delivery becomes simpler. Scaling becomes possible. AI removes the busy work. You focus on relationships. Relationships drive referrals. Referrals drive growth. This is why people are getting rich quietly. Not overnight, but predictably. Compare this to the past. Before, AI research took weeks. Writing took days. Testing took months. Now research takes minutes. Writing takes seconds. Testing takes days. Speed changed the economics. Lower cost. Higher output. Bigger margins. That is the real shift. This is not hype. It is math. I drop AI and business money making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon. Let me give you a simple starting plan. Choose one industry. Identify one core offer. Build one lead workflow. Use ChatGPT as the brain. Use simple tools as limbs. Sell the first result fast. Reinvest into better data. Refine prompts weekly. This compounds skill. Skill compounds income. The tool I mentioned earlier matters here. It automates the boring middle. That is where most fail. Automation frees focus. Focus creates advantage. Advantage creates profit. The future favors operators, not idea collectors. Execution is the mode. I is the engine. You are the driver. If you start now, you are early. Not first, but early enough. Late is when everyone copies. Early is when margins exist. That window is open, but not forever. Build while others scroll. Test while others doubt. Learn while others complain. This is the new AI business. It rewards speed and clarity. Not luck. Not secrets. Just leverage. If this clicked, you know what to do. Take action today. Start small. Iterate fast. Stay ethical. Deliver real value. Money follows value. Always. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Thanks for listening. This is just the beginning. The next level is closer than you think. I made it reachable. Now it is your move.